Hey everyone, this video will be short and sweet, but with Pocket shutting down recently, I just wanted to share some apps that might be useful for those of you looking for Pocket alternatives. The first app I'm going to cover is GoodLinks. I can't remember where I heard about this from. It was on someone's YouTube channel, and sorry, I would give you credit if I could. But GoodLinks is a Mac app that looks like it saves your resources to the cloud, which is kind of nice. And it also has a buy once, use forever plan, so no subscription here. My plan is to maybe do an update where I actually try out this, but this is the one on the list that I think seems the most promising to me. It just looks like a really clean user experience, like a nice native app. That it just really kind of ties in well with the Apple ecosystem. So this is one I think I'm definitely going to be giving a try. I believe the cost on the App Store is $9.99 USD, so not sure what that translates to in other currencies. But yeah, GoodLinks looks like a good option. I don't really hear this one mentioned a lot for some reason, but it looks like it has some really cool features. You can do themes, and I don't know, just looks like a really good option, and it syncs via iCloud, like I said. So sorry for those maybe not Mac users. This one's not an option for you, but if you are using a Mac, this one could be a good option to consider. So next on the list is Matter. I've heard about Matter for a while now. Their UI looks really clean, and it seems like it's used by a lot of top companies. I think one of their differentiators is that they might have something for like audio, or let's see, you can add your newsletters. I know they have something with audio, but I don't know. The UI just looks really, really clean, and just really nice to work with. You can capture notes. And as far as they say, there is no pricing plan. So it is completely free, as far as I know. My only concern with Matter, it looks like a really nice option, is that I don't know how this company is making money. And after switching between, I switched to Pocket, then I switched to Omnivore, which also shut down. I'm just a little weary of companies that aren't charging as much as I don't like to pay. I'm like, how are they making money though? Because I would like to stop switching Read It Later apps. So that's the only caution I'll give there. Otherwise, it looks like a really solid option. And then last but not least on the list is Readwise Reader. So this would probably be the most popular option on the list, since Readwise is a very popular tool for like highlighting notes between Kindle and kind of active recall and that kind of stuff. So now they have their own Read It Later app, and right now it's free because it's in beta, but I'm pretty sure they're going to put a price tag on this, and I think Readwise is probably a couple bucks a month, so I assume this will be something similar. Maybe you'll get some kind of discount if you're already a subscriber of Readwise, so maybe there's some incentive there, but yeah, you know this is going to be a quality app because Readwise has been around and been in the game for a long time. So yeah, this one looks really, really cool as well. These are all three really solid options. Yeah. So those are just the three Pocket alternatives that I recommend right now. Right now I have a hodgepodge of stuff in Notion and in random documents, so I'm looking to probably consolidate and try and solidify a new Read It Later app. I've just been a little nervous since Pocket and Omnivore have both closed down. So, but yeah, if you're looking for an alternative, I hope one of these tools I suggested helped you out, and I'll catch you next time.